welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so for token mining, well, I'm still not 100% sure if maybe this wasn't our fourth wave, even if it did reach, you know, a decent level. But I did tell you that, you know, it's a little bit too short, right? But, you know, this second wave as well, to be fair, was as well short. So I'm kind of debating, what was this? Is this the fourth wave? But now I do find that start to be a little bit better, and I lean on the scenario that, you know, the fourth wave is still ongoing, and that this is the A overshooting wave B and a C. I'm going to put it in the yellow. So I think this I can remove as well. And so this is going to go like so. Okay, now I just want to go and check here. So I want to check the length of the wave A, and then the top of the B wave. Let me and this one I'm going to put it in yellow, and not at all the same, the good ones. Let me go the left and yellow. Yeah, I think was better on the right. Sorry about that. Let me get out that. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna remove the 0.618. Okay, so to make it clear, maybe this, well, I mean, this definitely to me, until now anyway, you know, until proven otherwise, this is the top of the third wave. This is the A overshooting wave B, and now we're still doing the C. And you can see that, yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio would be ideal. But actually, we already reached it here, maybe. Let me check. Just need to readjust because I did use this little guy as the top. But if I use this one, does it make sense? Let me just think about it. That's the B, and then, yeah, no, it doesn't make sense. I need to consider that wick. Because here we almost reach it, right? But this peak, you know, happened after. Anyway, this is really to be peaky right now. This is almost micro counting. Actually, it is micro counting. So, but I'm still leaning more, maybe perhaps, on this fourth wave that maybe is not finished and still ongoing. And I'm going to expand it here. Okay, and now this is misleading. I should just match the colors. I'm going to put it up to date as well. And I want to put it more on the side here. So this is the idea that we're still missing, you know, a fifth wave potentially. Yes, we do already have 5 waves. I could say this was the fifth wave, but it's really so shallow. All right, so it would be best if we go a little bit higher. So let's see if we do that. And so that was the thing here. So let me remove that one, and I'm going to add 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so these are the levels, because for the third wave we kind of reached near the Actually, we did reach the 1.618 if I don't count this one, right? Let me add it at the end. So the idea is, for the third wave, we went between the 0.618 and the 2x. Now we're maybe possibly still doing the fourth. And for the fifth wave, usually it goes 1 or 2 levels higher. So since we already reached the 2x, 1 or 2 levels, it would be $25.60 or $26.11, and we have $26.23 for this target where for the fifth wave, when you do it by calculating wave 1 and wave 3 combined. So that makes sense to me. Let's see how it goes. Would be very nice if we can skyrocket now. That's the thing now. If you know, it's already happened before, right? Bitcoin skyrocket during the weekend, and then after that, the market opened on Monday, and Bitcoin make a correction, and this is how it's kind of screw up the charts, and we're stuck with the fifth wave. But ideally, if we market would have been closing, it would have reached maybe the ideal target for the fifth wave. So that's the thing that we need to be understanding with stocks and crypto. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. You can join our Discord channel. And